Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the lesson 6. In today's class, just we will discuss the lesson and the question answer. Okay, so let's begin the class. So here a lesson is given and the starter of the lesson is also given here. So what is the starter of the lesson? It is given that not much can be gained without effort. Okay, we cannot get so many things without making an effort. Maybe by luck you may get something, but without making effort you can't get anything. Okay, not much can be gained without effort. So for getting success, what you need to do, you need to make the effort. Okay, if you don't make the effort, then what will happen? You can't get so much thing in your life. Just simply you will pass your time like other animals, other creature on this earth, like other animals are passing the time, simply eating and passing the time, his life, its life, and dying one day. So like that only you will be there. If you want to be a successful person in your life, so what you need to do, you need to make effort. Those who give in to discouragement have defeated themselves. So what it is given, those who give into discouragement have defeated themselves. Okay, so here it is given, those who give into discouragement means like the person who is not discouraged, okay, and who is defeating himself, defeated themselves. Victory comes to the one who tries and tries again. Okay, so victory is coming to those people who is trying again and again. Like sometime if one time he is losing, he is not getting the victory, like again and again trying, not losing the hope. Take the example of these two frogs. Here a very small story like a poem it is given, that about two frogs. So first we are going to read and going to understand that what happened in the story. So here it is given, with a scream, two frogs fell into a deep bowl of cream. The first was a persistent kind of soul, but the other looked the gloomy role. What it is explaining? It is saying that with a scream, means what? With a loud sound. Okay, with a loud sound, what happened? Two frogs fell into a deep bowl of cream. Deep bowl of cream is that, do you know cream? That cream is that when we are churning the cream, then from that cream butter is coming out. Okay, so a deep bowl of cream was there. In that cream, with a loud noise, with loud scream sound, two frogs fell into that bowl, and out of two frogs, the first one was a persistent kind of soul. What is the meaning of persistent? The meaning of persistent is that, means the person or the people who is refusing to give up, easily not giving up, who is trying again and again, not losing the hope, and means continuously trying to achieve his goal. So that is called the persistent kind of soul. The first frog is like persistent kind of soul, but the other looks like gloomy role, and second one is the gloomy role. Gloomy role means like, that is second is like depressing, or the who's not enlightened, whose soul is not enlightened, whose soul is dim. So second is that type of frog. We will drown, he lamented, and with a despairing cry he flung up his leg and said goodbye. The second one, who is like gloomy role, he is saying that we will drown. What is the drown means? Drown means die. We will die from suffocation, like something when we are falling in the water, what happens? So we are not able to breathe in the water, and so what happens? That we are dying. So we will, that frog is saying that we will drown, means we will die from suffocation. He lamented, What is the lamented? Lamented means it is the past of lament, and the meaning of lament is that an expression of grief or sadness. With lamented, he means like with sad sound. He is saying that we will drown, and with a despairing cry. Despairing cry means he is despair. Despair means he is not having hope. With a despairing cry, he flung up his leg. Flung up his leg means like putting his leg like that flat and legs, and said goodbye, and he died. Okay. Said the first frog with a determined grin. Grin means a smile. With determined grin, what is happening? Said the first one. Said the first frog with determined grin. Grin means that with a smile. With determined a smile, the first one he said, what he said to himself, I can't get out, but I won't give in. Means I can't get out from this ball, but I won't give up. I won't give in. Means I will not lose. I will not give in. I will swim around till my strength is spent. Till how much in my body strength is that. Till that strength, what I will do? I will swim. Then if I must, I will die contact. If I will not able to come, then if it is my luck, then I will die. Okay. Bravely he swam to work his scheme. Scheme means plan. According to his plan, bravely he starts swimming. Okay. According to his scheme, and his struggles began to churn the cream. So when he is swimming, so milk starts churning. Okay. His struggle begins to churn the cream. The more he swam, his legs flutter. Means how much he was swimming, his legs was moving. So the more the cream turned into the butter. Means how much he was trying to swim, the milk was churning, and more milk was turning into butter. On the top of the butter, at the last he stopped. After his strength, continuously when he was struggling, because of his struggle, what happened? At the last he stopped on the butter, on the top of the butter. Butter became on the top of the butter, he stopped, and then he jumped out of the bowl, and out of the bowl he gaily hopped. Okay, slowly. Gaily means slowly. Slowly he hopped means he was out of the bowl. So this is the story of the two different frog. It is given. One frog was like disappointed type, so he died, and the second one, he did not lose. He was trying again and again, and then he got the victory. So this is the moral of the story, that we should not lose hope easily. Okay, we must try again and again. Okay, so now we are going to the question and answer. Question number 1, it is given here. What did the frogs fall into? The answer is the frogs fall into a deep bowl of cream. Okay. First question, easy questions are there. Question number 2. How would you describe the character of the first frog? The answer is the first frog was a persistent kind of soul, or persistent simply you can say. Question number 3. How would you describe the character of the second frog? The second frog was a gloomy. Okay. Question number 4. What happened to the second frog? The second frog died, or it passed away. Okay. Question number 5. What decision did the first frog make? The answer is the first frog decided to swim around till its last strength. Till its last strength, it decided to swim. Okay. Question number 6. What does cream turn into when it is beaten? When cream is beaten, so what it turns into? The answer is cream turns into butter when it is beaten. Question 7. What did the struggle of the first frog bring? The answer is the struggle of the first frog brought it on the top of butter. Okay. Question number 8. What happened next? The first frog jumped out of the bowl. Nextly. Okay. So this is all. Question answer 8 questions are there. Now assignments. Complete the question and answer of lesson 6 in your book and learn nicely whatever questions just now we have discussed. All those questions you have to do in your book and learn. And read lesson 6 nicely and try to understand. Read the lesson 6 nicely and try to understand each and everything. Okay, so this is all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Bye, have a nice day.